everyone, welcome to our channel How to Grow. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how you can fix WhatsApp verification code time limit problem. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So if you are facing the problem of recent SMS in 12 hour or 11 hour, the time limit problem, then how you can fix this problem is firstly you just need to go to the app info of WhatsApp. How you can go to that page is just go to the setting and then scroll down. Here you will see apps, so select that. Tap on app management and search in WhatsApp, and this will access to the app info page. You just need to tap on storage usage and clear all the data of WhatsApp. After you clear all the data, then go to the permissions. Here you need to disable the location permission and you need to allow the SMS permission here. So if you haven't done that, then you just need to tap on SMS and tap on the allow so that you can get the SMS permission allowed. So go back and tap on location, and in this way you can tap on don't allow to disable the location permission. Go back, and another step what you need to follow is go back again and go back. Once you are on this home screen of setting, you can scroll down and tap on system setting. Here you need to tap on date and time and toggle off this set time automatically. Tap on time, and by one you need to increase the hours. Here go back again and tap on date and time. Tap on time, and again you need to increase 1 hour, like this by one at once. If you do that, then your problem won't be solved, so you need to increase the time by one. So but before doing this, make sure you have turn off the mobile data. Then following this easy and quick step, you can easily solve the time limit problem of WhatsApp verification code. So this is it guys. If you found this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.